What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trending Crypto. Who is ready for this Pangolin rally that's about ready to take place, man? Pangolin is up 1.6% at 38 cents. Very small market cap at only 84 million. That's so small going into this parabolic phase of the bull run with a circulating supply of 218 million out of 538 million. So Pangolin is pretty much available on any exchanges. You got 4 different pages down here. Obviously, you can buy it on its own exchange. You have Coinbase, Gate.io, and Maxi as well. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Pangolin. All right, everybody, let's get into Pangolin here. Look at this. We definitely had an accumulation phase from August all the way to November, man. Those summer months when people were just hanging out at the beach, that's just the accumulation zone right there. And we've been rallying since that point on. Looks very, very similar to this phase right here before we started going parabolic and this phase right here before we started going parabolic. But nonetheless, we got to keep it realistic here. Where are we actually at for Pangolin? So if we go by the fibs, we're going to go from this high, I believe it's to this low right here, actually. Yeah, all the way down to that wick low right there. We actually broke above our 786 at 33.34 cents. This was a major resistance area for us. What I mean by that is going back to pretty much the beginning of 2024, that 786 was a very critical support area for us. You can see how many times we bounced off that 786 area before we broke below it. And then once you broke below it, you tried to overtake it several different times with failure until you finally overtook it right now. So us breaking above that 786 itself is bullish, and nonetheless us breaking out of this consolidation phase is bullish. And if you draw the downtrend resistance, it looks like that's what we're currently back testing right now. We have the downtrend, the high got rejected there, and we're currently broke that, and we back tested it with the wick right now. So Pangolin right now, I would be keeping an eye on that 35 cents range. That is our life support. We do not, I repeat, we do not want to break below 35 cents. Indicators right now on the day chart, we do have a lighter green candle that formed it on the MACD saying, hey, we're a little less bullish than we were yesterday. RSI is starting to turn over just a smidge, and the WTX is starting to roll over and is in the red just a smidge. So keep an eye on those guys. If anything, it's just indicative of a slight pullback until we start rallying to the upside. But nonetheless, this is the first time we've actually been bullish, in my personal opinion, since 2024. Well, obviously you're bullish at the beginning of 2024 because if you go all the way back here, you had this huge God candle. But since pretty much end of February, beginning of March, this is the first time Pangolin's been bullish. Now, if I had to do a price prediction on, the bull run top for Pangolin, realistically, I wouldn't be shocked if we hit $10 plus. Super small market cap with a very limited supply and circulation. Those type of coins run very hard. Nonetheless, I don't think Pangolin's ever seen a prior bull run before, which I'm so bullish on coins that have never seen prior bull runs before because they go absolutely nuts during their first bull run phase. So keep an eye on Pangolin. I think maybe $10 a little bit of FUD, but you have 161 up here at 12.13. So keep an eye on that. Meanwhile, we just got to stay above that 35 cents. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.